Hi, I am Bisam Patel, student of Motihari College of Engineering, Motihari. This is our final assignment of tall building design. Here there is 23-story building. Beam and column size is given. Slab size is given. There is a cladding load of 0.2 kN per mm. Wind load is also considered. And parameter in Bangalore. It means this building is drawn in the area of Bangalore. Here a story 1 to 8 have similar story, and this means a story 1 to 8 similar structure. A story 9 to 14 have similar structure. In this way, a story 15 to 19 has similar structure, and the story 20 to 23 has similar structure. So without wasting our time, we go to design this building. So we go to ETABS to design this building. So here this is the ETABS. Click on file, click on new model, and display unit is metric SI. If you want, if other is given, click on and change. Steel section database is Indian. Steel design code is IS 800-207, and concrete design code is IS 456-2000. Click on OK. Click spacing of grid in X direction is 6, as it is given in our assignment. Number of story is 23. Click on custom story data. Click on edit story data. So story 1 to 8 has similar stories. So click on story 8 to master a story. Copy a story 8 by clicking Ctrl plus C. Click on a story 7. Press shift and click on a story 1 to select this story. Right click, click on paste. So a story 9 to 14 have similar structure. So click on story 14 to master a story. Again, copy a story 14. Click on a story 13. Press shift, click on a story 9. Right mouse click, click on paste. Now a story 19 to 15 have similar data. So click story 19 to master story. Again click on OK. Again click on OK. So here there is 3 window opened. Now after drawing, you have to define material properties. So click on define, click on material properties, click on add new material. So region is India, material type is concrete. So first you define M for concrete, grade is M40. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click again add new material. Click on rebar. Click on HYSD grade 500. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Again click add new material. Mild to grade 250. Click on OK. Click on OK. Again click on OK. After defining material, you have to define section property like beam, column, slab. So to define, click on section properties, click on frame section, click on add new property, click on concrete plus section. So you to define 3 beam and 3 column. So name of the column is C 500 into 500. Material is M40. So design type is column. Longitudinal bar is HYSD 500. Confined bar is mild to 50. Add copy of property. Name is C. 550 into 550. You using add copy of property. Again, click on add copy of property. A 6 modify and storable. It is already. So click on OK. Click on again OK. So we have to define 3 column, but now we have to define 3 beam. So click on add new property. Click on add to. Now property name is beam 500 into 300 and material is M40. Size is 500 into and type is beam HYSD 500 mile to 50 to 50. Bottom bar is 5. Sorry. Click on OK. Click again. Click add copy of property. Beam size is 550 into 350. 0 into 350. Okay. Click on add copy property. Define 3 beam and 3 column. Click on add new property. Section shape is auto select. Click on OK. Beam auto select. Property name is beam auto select. So select beam. Click on add. Click on OK. Again click add new property. Auto select. Click on OK. Select concrete. Select by press shift key. Click on add. Auto select and column auto select is also defined. So click on OK. Now I have to define slab. So click on define, click on section property, click on slab section, click on add new property. Slab size is given 150. So name the slab is slab 150. Slab material is M40. Slab size 150. It is given in our segment. Click on OK. Click on OK. So I have to define. Now I have to define slab, beam, column, auto select beam, auto select column. So after defining this, I have to define load. Before this, you have to draw beam and column. So click on draw. Draw beam and column. Click on quick draw column. Here, click on similar storage. Firstly, you have to draw story 1. So move up in the list. Again, click on move up in the list. And now I have to go to a story 1 and we have to draw column. So click on column auto select. Now column is drawn in a story 1 to 8. After draw column, you have to draw beam. So click on quick draw. So you have to draw beam. On beam auto select. Now to draw beam and column. So to draw slab property is slab 150. Now slab is also drawn. Now go to a story 9 because story 1 to 8 has similar structure. So similar storage. Now I go to story 9. So in a story 9 I have to draw the structure as it is given in our segment. So I already select slab property. So firstly you have to draw slab. Now click on draw. Click on quick draw column. Column auto select is already selected. So Now we draw column. So to draw beam, we draw beam and column. So we draw beam, column and slab in a story 9 to 14. So go to story 15. Now this is a story 15. So story 15 to 19 have similar structure. So we select beam. So firstly we have to draw beam. After draw beam, we have to draw column. We're going to quick draw column. Now draw beam and column. We have to draw slab. So click on quick draw floor or wall. Now we go to a story 20 because the story 20 to 23 have similar data. So here this is a story 20. So we select slab already. So firstly we draw slab. Go to draw. Click on quick draw column. Draw column. Then click on draw. On quick draw beam and column. Now we draw beam, column and slab to all our story. So after drawing a beam, column and slab, we have to assign load to the story. So firstly we have to apply dead load. So dead load is a similar for all our stories. So click here and click select all our story. You have to apply dead load of 2 kilonewton per meter square. So click on. Firstly we select to draw dead load. So click on this icon, that is slab. So here it is selected. Click on assign. Click on cell load. Click on uniform. After dead load of 2 kilonewton per meter square. Click on apply. Click on OK. There it is applied dead load. Now click on similar storage because live load is vary from story to story. So again select click on assign, click on cell load, click on uniform, click on live. Story 1 to 8 have live load of 5 kilonewton per meter square. So here we click 5, click on apply, click on OK. Now we applied to 1 to 8 have live load of 5 kN per meter square. So go to story 9. Select, click on assign, click on cell load, click on uniform, live load of 4.5 kN per meter square, click on apply, click on OK. Now go to story 15. So firstly we have to select, click on assign, click on cell load, click on uniform, live load of 4 kN per meter square, click on OK. Select, assign, click on cell load, click on uniform, here data is 3.5, click on apply, click on OK. Now we place dead and live load. Now it's time to apply auto cladding load. So to assign auto cladding load, go to story 1 by clicking plan, click on story 1, click on OK. Here story 1 is displayed. Auto cladding load is applied on all exterior wall of, so select all exterior wall, that is frame, by just clicking mouse button, click. So here it is showing that how much frame is selected. Please keep in mind that no other things is selected. Now all the frame is selected. Go to assign menu, click on frame load, click on distributed load, click 0.2, click on apply, click on OK. So here it is showing that 0.2 kN of auto cladding load is assigned. Now go to a story 9. The story 1 to 8 have similar stories, so then select each frame by just clicking mouse button, click, 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 click. If you have doubt that one frame is selected or not, just clicking. If the number is increasing, that means It is not selected already. If number is decreasing, that means it's selected already. So now I am clicking on here. That is not selected. So if you have doubt, then you can just click and check it is selected or not. So now all exterior frame is selected. Again go to assign, go to frame load, distributed 0.2, click on apply, click on OK. So now you can see after going to 9 to 14, again go to 15 to 9 to 14, after that 15 to 19, click on 15, click on OK. Again select all frame by just clicking mouse button. Again go to assign menu, go to frame load, go to distributed, click on apply, click on OK. Now it is visible. Oh sorry, here it is not applied. So again click on this, 5 frame is selected, click on assign, click on distributed, click on apply, click on OK. Now it is visible that all the frame applied 0.2 kilonewton per meter of auto gliding load. If you want to see other story, go and see. Story 16 has also applied 0.2 kilonewton per meter of auto gliding load. So I have to go on a story 20 by just clicking up in the list. Select each frame by just clicking mouse button. Click, 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 click. Go to assign menu. Click on frame load, distributed 0.2, apply, click on OK. Now applied auto cladding load. Now I applied support. So go to base. I just click and move up in the list. Click on select option, select object, select all the joint. All the joint is selected. Please keep in mind that here one story is selected. If it is not shown here, click on display on deform shape. So here it is visible. So 16 joint is selected. Click on assign menu, joint, restraint. Click on fixed support. Click on apply. Click on OK. After apply support, we have to apply auto drag cladding. For this, you have to click on draw button, auto drag cladding. Click on each floor, click on OK. So auto draw cladding is applied. After that, we have to define load pattern. So click on define, click on load pattern. So now we have to define wind load because it is given in our assignment that wind load is also applied. So write wind, type is wind, click auto lateral word Indian IS 875, click on add new load, click on modify lateral load. So from IS 875 part 3, wind speed is 33, terrain category is 3, structure class is C. You have to calculate from IS 875 part 3. Click on OK. Now after defining wind load, to go to elevation. To set elevation view, click on elevation, click on A, B, C, D. It is seen that A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. That here 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on A, click on OK. So you have to apply wind load. So you have to select all the cell. So click on all, select all story. Select all the cell. So it is showing that all the cell is selected. Click on assign cell load wind pressure coefficient. So you have to find out coefficient from IS 875 part 3. So for A, it is plus 0.8. Click on apply, click on OK. So again go to elevation, go to B, click on OK. Again select all the cell, go to assign menu, click on cell load wind pressure coefficient. B has same coefficient, that is 0.8. Click on apply, click on OK. Now you have also click on move up in the list to go to elevation view C. Select all the cell, go to assign, go to cell load, go to wind pressure coefficient. For C, it is calculated that minus 0.25. Click on apply, click on OK. Click on move up in the list. Again select cell load wind pressure coefficient. For D, it is also same. Click on apply, click on OK. If you want to see this value, click on plan, select any story, click on OK. It is seen that wind load is so. Again click on elevation, click on 1, click on OK. Again select all cell. Elevation 1, 2, 3, 4 have same wind pressure coefficient. So go move up in the list, select this, move up in the list, again select, move up in the list, select, click on assign, click on cell load, click on wind pressure coefficient. For this CP is minus 0.8. Click on reward, click on apply, click on OK. So after that, select any story, click on OK. You have to check model, click on analyze, click on check model, click on OK. So here model is checking. Now it has been checked, no warning message was generated. So click on analyze, click on run analysis. So before you have to run analysis, you have to save this file. So I save this file from all building design. Save. After save this file, this is analyzing. Takes time. So it is showing that so here it is giving the information of each story. If you want to click on start animation, click on start animation. Here it is showing the form shift. Want to stop, click on stop animation. Go to design menu, concrete frame design. and revise reference. It is showing. Click on OK. Go to again design, concrete frame design. Go to start design and check. Here it is. Checking. It takes some time. License design 705 concrete frame. Click on yes. It takes some time. Click on yes. Mm. When it is checking for design, again 10 concrete frame failed. Click on yes. Again click on yes. Now if you want to see this value, click on any story. If you want to rotate, click on rotate 3D view. If you want to see extrude shape, click on extrude frame extrude cell.